Part 2, Otis and the stuffed cat. The thrill of victory. Otis, how's that taste, boy? You like stuffed cats? Look at that stuffed cat. Now just think, oh, oh! Look at that. Just tore a leg off a stuffed cat. Look at that. One step removed from the African plains, the wild dog Otis, as he tears through a stuffed cat. No fewer than 1 hour ago, this cat was a stuffed animal in my fiance's dresser drawer. To date, this cat is an Otis feast. Look at him go after the cat. Look at the style. Look at the paw, how he holds it down. And he rips through with those incisors. Look, then he pulls. Then he pulls. Go boy. Go boy, Otis. Go boy. Oh, go boy. Oh, good. Go boy. We love you, Otis. Oh, look at that. Shaking the head. We love you, Otis. Go, get a head shake. Come on, boy.